Hello everyone, myself Kagni Vishnu and today's topic of daily task video is Tenali Tales face saving formula. So this is the story of Tenali Rams. So let's start the story. Once upon a time there was one King Krishna Dev Rai and he was a king of his kingdom. His name is Vijayanagar. So in the Vijayanagar, the Tenali Rams and King Krishna Dev Rai are best friends. So one day what happened? King Krishna Dev Rai got angry on the Tenali Rams and tells him to not show his face to the king. So due to this, Tenali Ram says okay. Tenali Ram says okay, but in the inner mind, Tenali thoughts how to win the over a king. So after some day, what happened? One day, one Pailwan from the north was coming in the Vijayanagar, and by seeing this, Tenali Ram thinks that he could be Pailwan and he could be Pailwan and he will become for in empire because of some his own work. So when Pailwan from the west, Pailwan from the north had came to Vijayanagar, they said to King Krishna Dev Rai, I am here for searching in the all over world. Is anybody like to me? So on that, King Krishna Dev Rai says that okay, I can put a competition, and King Krishna Dev Rai puts competition. So when other Pailwans of Vijayanagar gathered together, they says that he is more dangerous than us. We can't fight with him. So from someone says, Sir King, there is Tenali Ram who can fight with this Pailwan. So Tenali Ram, so King asked for the Tenali Rams to fight with this Pailwan. But when Tenali Rams into the palace, so he came with painting of his face. So king asked him, why are you like this? So Tenali tells, back time you said me not to show to the face. So king said, let's start the competition. So Tenali Ram tells to the other Pailwan, I have one condition. What I will do with the close eye, that you have to do with open eyes. So other Pailwan says, I agree. And what happened? Tenali Rams take sand and oil mixture and apply on the face and wash him with a towel. And so by seeing this, other Pailwan says that I can't do that. I lost this debate, or I lost this match. So after that, then King Krishna Dev Rai Tenali Rams rewarded by the king of Vijayanagar, king of Krishna Dev Rai. So thank you so much.